Hey everybody, Huxley here from Redgate, and I'm here to talk to you today about some really exciting new features that are opt-in for our SQL Prompt and our Toolbar Essentials. At Redgate, we've been hearing nothing about AI and people wanting to use AI and seeing how it can make their daily workloads easy. And what we don't want to do is put it into a bunch of features and put it everywhere, but instead find the right tools, the right place to put AI in to maximize how much we can help you as an organization. So, coming into SQL Prompt is our AI features, allowing you to use it with our other prompt features, our other Toolbar Essentials features, and better digest and maximize your efficiency on your workload. So let's take a look at that. Getting AI into SSMS, getting it to be able to see the scope of my databases has never been easier. I don't need you to leave the window, I don't need you to leave your IDE. All I have to do is type Alt-Z, it will let me know the scope that it's going to see. I can hit continue, and then I can just start typing. All of the AI that we've been so used to is right there at my fingertips. So, explain all the tables. I hit enter, it's going to then look at my database, and it's going to type out all of my different tables, the breakdown, maybe the dependencies that we're seeing right there. So, I don't even need to give it code, first of all. If I'm a developer and I have a question and I think AI is going to be useful, with SQL Prompt, it's right there in front of me, ready to use. Let's say I want to then use it alongside maybe SQL History, a really great feature of SQL Prompt, keeping track of every different query that I've been working on and all of my different iterations. If I remember maybe from today or maybe from last month that I ran a query, say this one here, whatever it might be, I can open it up, instantly get it here, Alt-Z, hit continue, and then I could maybe say, could you add a where clause for only orders before 2025? Any type of addition, any type of change that I might want to make, it's instantly available to me there, and I can see my change, I can hit execute, and I can start to see exactly what I want. So not only can it explain my queries, but it can also help me make new queries, make new decisions, whatever it might be that I need as a part of my different changes as a developer. One of the things that I know you devs and DBAs are doing all the time is trying to make your platform more performant, better at running, whatever it might be. Maybe you used our state-of-the-art Redgate monitor and you found some queries that are performing a lot slower than maybe you thought they were. Maybe we're getting feedback and I need to work out what's going on and what maybe is the fix. So I can come into maybe New World DB Dev. Let's find a store procedure. I could hit modify. And again, modifications to queries, understanding the dependencies, this is something that an AI tool is really, really good at. So I should be able to say Alt-Z, again, open up my window and say, help make this more performant. Hit enter, and it's got a wealth of knowledge about maybe how queries are better to perform. It might even go as far as saying, hey, you could index this. Maybe get rid of that index. Here are better structural changes that you could make. Regardless, we know that with SQL Prompt and our AI and you amazing developers, that is the best combination that we need to make sure that our performance is the best, that our workload is best managed, and devs, DBAs, anyone in between has the best tool in their arsenal to do their job the best and most performant way possible. So, all of those features looked amazing. I know how they could help you as a dev or a DBA, but that's not all that it can do. Maybe you own the whole Toolbar Essentials. Maybe you have just SQL Prompt. Tying up AI with your developers' tool sets in their IDE of their choice is an amazing new feature that we've released. So, how do you get it? Well, if you own SQL Prompt or you own Toolbar Essentials, you already have full access to it, no purchase needed. So just download the latest update and start using those amazing new AI-rich features. But maybe you're thinking, hey, those tools looked great, those features looked great. How do I get access to that? Either get a purchase of SQL Prompt or Toolbar Essentials, either from the website or contact myself or sales, and we'll show you how you can get it. Thanks.